raw mango chutney.
One cup of mango pieces. Some curry leaves. 1 teaspoon of cumin zira. 1 teaspoon of turmeric powder. 1 TBSP of red chili powder. Salt to taste. 5 to 6 garlic cloves. 3 to 4 green chilies. 1 teaspoon of mustard and cumin seeds. 2 pinches of ing. Transfer raw mango pieces in a jar. Add cumin. Add green chilies. Add garlic cloves. Add turmeric powder. Add red chili powder. Add salt. Grind coarsely. Raw mango paste is done. Transfer paste in a bowl. Heat 1 TBSP of oil. Add mustard and cumin seeds. Let them crackle. Add curry leaves. Add hing. Add 2 to 3 garlic cloves. Add tadka in raw mango paste. Tangy and tasty raw mango chutney is ready to serve. Do like, share, comment and subscribe to my channel. Explore and cook.